Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my preppy summer basics, and I try to do these every season. You guys seem to really enjoy them, which makes me so happy. I'm so happy you guys like them. I have my bright blue on because I love wearing bright colors in the summer, and I have my hair natural just because I feel like in the summertime I try to use less heat, and I know I always did this like throughout high school and like when I was growing up, just because it's like a perfect time to let your hair grow and then just let it air dry. So that is what we're doing today. I'm super excited. I'm gonna make this a try on video, and I haven't done one of these in so long, so hopefully this way you can get a feel for how the clothing fits, how to match it up and everything, just basically how I style it and pair it all together, because a lot of these pieces can go with one another, so you don't have to buy a ton of different pieces with it, which is so awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do, and let's just get on to it. I'm just gonna start off with my favorite tank top. This one is actually from Romwe or Shein. Super inexpensive, but I just find these climbs to be so flattering on. Love how it's like a gingham print and has this really cute little ruffle on the bottom, which I just think is so cute, and I wear this all the time. I probably need to buy a new one in the exact same just because of the wear on this, but the quality of it's really good. I'll list it down below if I can find it because I think it should still be available, but it's just so cute. Goes with every color. It's so much fun. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with chinos, you can wear it with jean shorts. I also love just like a basic t-shirt, kind of like what I'm wearing right now, but these are my absolute favorite. These are the J. Crew vintage cotton. I just wear like an extra small. This one's a v-neck. It's purple. I love how thin they are. They're so perfect for summer because they're so airy and like not super restricting where you can breathe, and they're nice when it's really hot out. I love having a nice like button up, and this is a gingham button-up, which is just like that little plaid print. I just think it's so perfect for summer. It's super preppy. This one's from Gap. It's a size medium. They're great because you can just roll up the sleeves. You can wear them unbuttoned. You can button them up and tuck them into your shorts. They look so cute with chinos, jeans, you name it. I love it. Of course, you're going to want some tank tops. So this one is just from Lily Pulitzer. It's just like a basic white one. It has these really cute button details on it. I just like having tank tops because it does get really hot. Great for the beach, the weekend, goes with everything, especially because it's white. I recently just filmed my whole preppy t-shirt collection, so you guys just saw this, but I love having preppy t-shirts in the summer. This one is my Salty Dog t-shirt. I got this in Hilton Head. I think it looks super cute with like athletic shorts during the summer. They make a great pool cover up like on top of your bikini or swimsuit. I just think they're great. They're kind of a more athletic look, but you can definitely dress them up. I want to film a lookbook. I know I've talked about this before. I haven't got around to it, but I'm definitely going to film a preppy t-shirt lookbook soon. Be sure to comment down below how you style preppy t-shirts because I want to try and include every way so everyone can like find out about it. I know a lot of you guys like these kind of shirts, and I love them too, but they can be kind of challenging to style because sometimes they're super oversized, sometimes they're just kind of more snug. Like, do you dress them up or do you dress them down? So comment down below because I'd love to know. And the next type of shirt I love to have is a polo. So this is just from Ralph Lauren. This one's just so much fun because it's so busy. I love it, and I think these look so smashing in the summer just because you just look so put together when you wear them. I think they're so cute. I wear them all the time. I at least wear it once a week. I'm obsessed with them. You guys might think I'm a little crazy, and I know it gets really warm during the summer and you're gonna be like, no, I don't need this, but having a lightweight sweater is so nice because it does get chilly once the sun goes down occasionally, especially like when you're at the beach and it gets windy. It's just great to have like a nice sweater. I love this one because it's such a crisp white, which I feel like summer whites, I always think of that. I love it. I wore it a ton last summer. I'm excited to wear it again this summer. And going off of that, you might want to have a lightweight jacket. This is a zip up from Lily Pulitzer. I got it a while ago. I think it's so cute because it's just really fun, baby pink, but it has this little splash of lily in the inside, which I love how they always do the little extra details. But it's just nice to zip on top of an outfit if you're going out. And then onto shorts. I think having a pair of jean shorts is like perfect for summer because I always think of jean shorts in the summer. I don't really wear them as much in the springtime as I do in the summer. So these are just Lauren Jane's. Never really been a big jean short person. I just never find a pair that I like and how they fit and everything. And once I got these, it was like life-changing. They're kind of like a stretchy denim, and they're really, really flattering with the colors, how they're cuffed, where the cuts are. Like all those little things just play a big part in it, and they're super flattering on. I think they're so comfy, and I absolutely love them. Of course, you guys know I'm going to talk about J. Crew chinos. These are my absolute favorite pair. They're neon pink. I talked about these last summer, and I just love neon colors, especially in the summer. They're super colorful. They're so flattering. I wear the 3-inch. These are just so cute because they're like pink. They're bold. They go with so much. I love them. I think they're so flattering. I just can't say enough good things about J. Crew chino shorts. Another thing are athletic shorts. So these are from Fabletics. These are just like little running shorts. I know a lot of people wear the Nike tempo shorts, I think that's what they're called. They're really popular with preppy t-shirts and stuff. These are just my favorite because they're white and I think of them as a summer color. Super fun to wear with preppy t-shirts with like athletic shoes or like Chacos, which I'm getting into my shoes, don't worry. My last clothing piece is like a dress or like something you can wear that's a little more fancy. This is from Shein, so it's super inexpensive. Love this dress. It's perfect if you have like a date night or just like a date during the day, or if you just want to be a little more dressed up for dinner or something if you're on vacation. Awesome dress. I love the neckline. Again, it's just so flattering. Then on to shoes. I'm absolutely obsessed with shoes, and you guys know I like clothes, I like shoes. So the first pair that I want to talk about are these like little wedges. I got these before I went to France last summer. I thought I was going to bring them with me. I didn't end up bringing them with me. But they're so cute. They kind of go with like those dresses that you might wear. I love how they have like a black heel. They're in a blush pink color, which I think is really pretty. I got them at TJ Maxx. I'm not really sure where to get them. I'll link them down below. The brand is called Rampage. I got a size 7. I forgot to take the sticker off, so now the sticker is kind of stuck there. Super cute. I think I paid less than like 30 bucks for them. Love them. I just feel like they're super dressy but super casual at the same time, which is awesome. Would it really be a preppy video without Jacks? These are Palm Beach sandals, which are very similar to Jacks. My Jacks are currently in a photo shoot bag, so we're just looking at these. These are gold and platinum. I think they're so cute. They seriously go with anything. I absolutely love them. The quality of the Palm Beach sandals is right up there with Jacks. I honestly thought these were a little bit more comfortable and easy to break in than Jacks. I had them the same amount of time. They wear the same. I love them. And I think they're right in the same price, so it's just whatever you prefer, I guess. My more casual and like fun sandal that I like to wear when I'm not like super dressed up are my Chacos. These are so much fun to wear. I honestly like at first was kind of like iffy about them, but now I'm like obsessed with them. They're so comfortable. They have like this really high arch in it, which I sound like a crazy person telling you about the arch in these shoes, but a lot of my shoes that I wear have like no arches in them, and they're just like flat, and they're not like the most comfortable supportive shoe to wear. These are game changers. They're so comfy, and you can get different straps. There's so many different options. Definitely recommend them. They're super cool. And again, if you have smaller feet, you can try and fit into the kid size shoe if you want to save some money on them. So I have 2 more pairs of shoes. The next pair are Sperrys, and I need to get a new pair. I've had these for so long and they're kind of disgusting, but these are just like the classic boat shoe, and I think these are perfect for summer because they're great because they're a closed toe shoe, but they're like comfy. I just think they're a great shoe, like if you're going out and adventuring or something, or just need like a more dressed up shoe than a sandal. Sperrys are the way to go. My last shoe for this video are sneakers. You guys know I love running, but I think having sneakers for the summer are wonderful just because if you are wearing like the preppy t-shirts and like athletic shorts, I think these go really well with them. These are just the Nike women's LD Runner, I think. I'll have them listed down below. I can't remember the exact name. I always get tons of questions on them, but I just think they're so comfy, and I like having a nice pair of sneakers to wear. Again, closed toe shoes, awesome. Or if you're like working out during the summer, great, you have a pair of sneakers. And of course you need a swimsuit during the summer. So I just wanted to show you guys my cute little Ralph Lauren bikini. I love this. I got this at TJ Maxx like 2 years ago. Absolutely love it. It just has a little Polo logo on the bottoms, and then it's a triangle bikini top, which I just think is so cute and so fun to wear. And of course it's hot pink because your girl loves pink. I've been obsessed with ribbon belts lately, and this one is from the company Eliza B. I got it in a size medium. I love it. It's so fun. It's so colorful. It just adds that fun splash of color to any outfit, which I think is awesome. And it's great too just because you can have like a super simple outfit. Like you could wear like khaki pants and a white t-shirt, and this will just add so much color and personality to your outfit, which I absolutely love. And another thing to have when you're outside is a baseball hat. This is just from Vineyard Vines. These are seriously so cute, and they're great because they protect your face from the sun, which is so important. Be sure you're wearing sunscreen during the summer so that you don't get burnt or anything. Having a fun little tumbler or like a water bottle is great so you stay hydrated during the summer. This is from Lauren James as well. I think their tumblers are so cute. And then I have 3 more things, and they're beauty related, that I think are perfect for summer. So I like to have a fun fruity perfume for the summer. This is just the Polo No. 2 perfume. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorites. I've been wearing it forever. It's just such a fruity scent, and I feel like it's perfect for summertime. I love to have a really fun bright nail polish, and this is Mod Square by Ezzy. I love this color. I'm not currently wearing it, but it's one of my favorites because it's such a bright pink. And my last favorite is this NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I think having a waterproof mascara is so important if you're like me and never leave the house without mascara, because sweat, and swimming just does not go well with normal mascara for me, so I'm sharing my tips with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, and if you liked the try-on session, let me know because I can start doing those in my future videos. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so awesome, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye guys!